Moving on to the gold market, once again our yearly chart just showing that last XOP at 1500 as well as our yearly thrust indicating the bull market. Quarterly, same story, nice quarterly thrust indicating the bull market, and then the COP that's been holding us back this last few months, as well as the OP up there at 1462, very close to that 1500 XOP. And now going to a monthly, we can see the monthly trend is still up, and we've moved higher all the way towards these old highs, and we can see a couple of confluence areas around 1130 and 1040. Now the monthly showing the resistance is indicating that this could be a possible wash and rinse of these highs, although the market has really been performing strongly, and given the quarterly thrust and yearly thrust, could be that we still want to move higher. So gold a bit in uncertain territory where it's currently at. We need to take out this high for us to be certain that we want to move higher. If we don't, we could maybe even move a bit lower once again from here. So as I said, a bit uncertain territory for now in gold. What I'd like to see is when the daily goes into a sell that we get some good follow through on that. If you see dynamic pressure on a daily sell signal, strong dynamic pressure, no follow through on that sell, then the market's most probably going to move higher and take out these highs. So let's move on to our weekly. We can see we had this wash and rinse here on the weekly, as well as this strong dynamic pressure, no follow through on the sell signal. However, we've managed to run into the resistance now. And I'm not talking about this old F5 resistance. I'm going to take that out now. We've moved into the daily resistance, that OP we discussed last week. So it could be that that's the sell for this market to go lower once again. But as I said, if we see sell signal on the daily, I'm going to wait for that daily to go into a sell signal to show me if this market is really weak or not, because everything else is indicating strength for now. Now moving to our weekly overbought, oversold, we can see neutral territory. And then going to our daily, we can see there's two confluence areas that will be good support. And for this market to show its weakness, we need to break these confluence areas. We can see the daily is coming nearer to turning into a sell. And that's a sell signal I want to see, and I want to see good follow through on that. And then we can try and trade this market from the short side. But for now, maybe it's best to sit on the sidelines first in gold to show us more clearly what it wants to do. If the daily, however, can stay up and we can move above this OP that we discussed last week, the market made it a bit difficult this last week. It was on Tuesday that it pushed through this old agreement area really deep, but it did held support nicely, and the daily has remained up, and we did get our buy follow through all the way to the OP. Now the OP is holding the market. That's the resistance that could probably turn the market lower once again. If we can get that daily sell signal and get some good follow through, that'll be a good signal. However, if the daily remains up and we get above this OP again, the next resistance is up there. But for now, I'm thinking to sit on the sidelines in gold and maybe see if the daily sell signal is going to give us some good follow through. Just the last chart showing our overbought, oversold on the daily, also neutral territory.